to check your transaction history on Capital Federal Savings Bank, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital Federal Savings Bank website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Account Overview section on the dashboard. This area displays all your accounts linked to your online banking profile. Step 3. Select the desired account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, locate the transaction history or recent transactions option. Click on it to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date of transaction type. You may also find options to download your transaction history for your records. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Capital Federal Savings Bank. Following these steps will ensure you stay informed about your financial activities.